Understanding, in the chase, an English phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, in the chase. This is a phrase you might encounter in movies, books, or conversations, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's get started and unlock the meaning together. The phrase, in the chase, typically refers to being actively involved in the pursuit of something, usually a goal, an aspiration, or sometimes even a literal chase. It implies a sense of participation and action in the process of trying to achieve or catch something. Understanding a phrase often requires seeing it in context. When someone says they are in the chase, they are indicating that they are in the midst of pursuing something important. For example, if a team is in the chase for the championship, they are among the contenders actively competing to win the title. Don't confuse in the chase with being close to achieving something. It doesn't necessarily mean that the subject is close to their goal, only that they are actively trying to attain it. The outcome could still be uncertain, and the chase could be long or difficult. Sometimes, you might hear variations like, in the hunt, or, on the chase. While the nuances might differ slightly, these phrases carry a similar connotation of pursuit and ongoing effort. Thank you for watching. Remember, in the chase is all about the pursuit and the active effort to achieve something. We hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase better and enriches your English vocabulary. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.